Hi, I'm Yin Zhang. This is my COMP3015 coursework 1. And in here, user can control actions by the keyboard, uh, like the ADSW. It means the viewpoint moves on the left, right, backward, and forward. And also, the Q can make the viewpoint begins to rotate. And however, the E keys can stop the rotate. Thirdly, I will talk about the main features in this program. So the first one is the prototype. For the prototype idea, it comes from the class. In the class, I solved floor plus the model plus the environment, the duct, and so I created the basic floor and sofa model plus the skybox in here. And then is the model. So first is the floor. So in init scheme, so firstly we created for the vertex, and it's the normal, and it's the texture coordinate. And in here, because it's the ground, so the y is the 0. And then we created the VBO and tried to string the data in one VBO, the ring, and created a VAO, and then binding the VBO, and the 0 or 1, 2 is match the vertex shader in here. It's match the position, normal, texture coordinate. In here, the floor use the wood texture, the sofa use the sofa texture. They both through the picture path, these two, and by the node texture to use. Here we can see the STBI load this function. It is the STB image to load the image field for past and store the image data in data, and at the same time the operating the informations of the image, and then in next functions it is transfer the image data to OpenGL, and adding the current texture object here, transfer the image data to OpenGL, and in the model, they use the object mesh to analyze the object field, by load functions and through the object field path in here. And we'll turn to object mesh. And here, the load function was analyzed the object field, like V is the vertex, and BT is the texture or coordinate, and the VN is the normal, and the F is the phase, and put the data to the triangle mesh, and then render the model is direct the OBJ mesh in here within render function, and if the draw AG is true, then we'll binding the VO here, and if the draw ADG is fused, that will turn to the triangle mesh, the render within here, and then in triangle mesh in here, and to bind the VAO to rendering the floor, and in here it's just rendering the texture, the floor texture path, and to rendering the texture. And in here it's just draw a model, draw the sofa models, because they can use the same MVP in here, and so through the draw this vertex shader, the position, normal, and texture coordinate within here, and try to put them into the MVP. It's the model view projection, and then the position is obtained based on the MVP, and try to let the normal text coordinate and position to pass into the fragment shaders. in here, and in here we can see some light data, and in here the point light source, or you can say it is the point light. Point light source is completely stored by the ambient, diffuse, and specular, and it's these three factors in here. And then finally the light position and colors can calculate based on these three factors and plus each other in here. And by the way, the information of the light is passed into the frame shaders stored by the set uniform. Also in here, set uniform in here, you can see the light data and then throw data by the set uniform to the to go to the shaders. In the skybox, at the beginning I used the OpenGL code in skybox, and the beginning the code is similar with this view skybox CVP by class, and they both define the vertex, and it is the match the 6 different interface and to upload the data for the GPU, and then to use the load cube map to bending the texture. In here we can see one texture path matched one face of the skybox. And then this is the load cube map function. This function is similar to the load texture. It's the same useful. And then it's the skybox or vertex shader, and the vertex shader completes the conversions of the vertex positions and pass the texture or coordinate and to the fragment shader. And in fragment shader, use the texture function to obtain the texture colors from the skybox cube map, and the texture function is symbolize the colors from the cube map based on the texture or coordinate in the texture or coordinate, and assign the result to the frag color here. And then it's the camera movement is controlled by the camera H view is in here, and it is based on the direction and dwell time to calculate. And we can see the direction is the forward and well plus, and background well minus in here. And in the update, we will calculate the detail data in here. And in the image, we just set camera seat. In here, we can see that, and the keyboard responding is in here. We can see that the get key, if the key was W, will content with the process key zeros, and to CP. And we can see in here, if it's content zero, that camera keyboard will content for the forward, and through the delta time and forward to in camera H, they will calculate. And the other three key is similar with the zero with W, and for the 4 and 5, it is content Q and E, and we can see Q and E, and it will responding for the rotate of the viewer point, and in here we can see the angle will plus is follow from the time in here, and it will in render it will be choose will come true from the from here. From here, you can see that